Washington, D.C.'s Attorney General is suing the NFL and hometown team, the Commanders, for allegedly lying to fans about a sexual harassment investigation. Correspondent Evan Lambert is live in the nation's capital. Evan, how is the league connected to this?
Nichole, one of the key allegations here is that the NFL colluded with the team to keep owner Dan Snyder in the loop when it comes to what was supposed to be an independent investigation of the team's workplace culture.
No one, no matter how powerful they are, is above the law.
D.C.'s Attorney General Karl Racine taking on the troubled Washington Commanders, its owner Dan Snyder, the NFL, and Commissioner Roger Goodell, filing a civil lawsuit against them, alleging they broke the law by deceiving D.C. consumers about a fair and independent investigation into allegations of a toxic workplace culture and sexual harassment inside the team office.
The team and its owner have caused very real and very serious harm, and then lied about it to dodge accountability and to continue to rake in profits.
This is just the latest legal trouble for the Commanders. Congress, federal prosecutors, and several states' attorneys general are looking into the team and its top brass on topics from the workplace allegations to alleged financial impropriety, like holding on to refundable deposits for season tickets. Racine says D.C. is seeking accountability and testimony under oath from Snyder and Goodell. And given that misstatements under D.C.'s Consumer Protection Act can rack up fines, the lawsuit could be costly. Megan Imbert is a former Commanders employee and one of the women who spoke out about sexual harassment allegations targeting the team's cheerleaders.
So when I hear him today talk about the NFL, talk about Roger Goodell, they lied to us. The entire thing was a fraud, in my opinion. So under oath is great. They can't hide from the government, right? So I'm excited to see what happens and people be held accountable.
Thursday afternoon, the Commanders responding to the lawsuit, saying in part, although the lawsuit repeats a lot of innuendo, half-truths, and lies, we welcome this opportunity to defend the organization for the first time in a court of law. And just last week, the team announcing that it hired Bank of America to explore possible options when it comes to possibly selling the team or a portion of it from owner Dan Snyder. The AG making clear, regardless of what happens with that this lawsuit will continue. Nichole.
All right, Evan, so the AG says the lawsuit will continue. The team is headquartered in Virginia. They play in Maryland. So how does the D.C. AG claim jurisdiction here?
Look, Nichole, that was one of the key questions today, but he says based on the way that this D.C. Consumer Protection Act is written, it's extremely broad because the team advertises to people here in D.C., because people here in D.C. spend money on it. He says that gives him the opportunity to seek this lawsuit under that law. Nichole.
All right, yeah, we'll certainly see what happens. All right, Evan, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.